So take a look at this before and after. What do you think he did to restore his hair in 90 days? Let's talk about it. Hey guys, Karen from Curl House. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a certified trichologist, and the owner of the Curl House Hair Restoration Collection. And today we're going to talk about scalp care. And scalp care specifically because in that before and after, this young man was able to restore his hair, restore the density of his hair in 90 days just because of him doing proper scalp care. So this young man, his name is Nick, he's 21. He's a college student. As a matter of fact, he's a football player at a D1 college. And he said he went to college. Before he went to college, because he's a sophomore, he had a full head of thick hair. He said he was rocking his afro. 1 year after being in college, all his hair started to break off. Now, that's no surprise to me. I know a lot of young people who go to college, hair is completely healthy before going to college, leaving college after that year, hair is toe up. So that was no surprise when he told me his hair started to break off. Because what happens in college, you may not prioritize your hair. Not the way you used to, or your mother may take the lead with prioritizing the health of your hair. But when you go off to college, you don't have your mother with you. So with him, even though he's in college, he said he was very stressed. In part, again, because he's a D1 football player, and that can be very stressful in terms of the schedule. Like being a football player at a D1 college, that's like a lifestyle. So it did require a lot of him. And the one thing that he did do, he neglected his scalp care. So after talking to him, he told me that he does not wash his hair regularly. Again, it's a football player. He has on a helmet. He sweats in practice, but he doesn't wash his hair. He doesn't know what to put in his hair. He really didn't know how to take care of his hair. So after, talking to him for a little bit, I pretty much knew that his hair loss, or more specifically hair breakage, was just due to improper scalp care hygiene. That's it. That's why his hair was breaking off. And sometimes, y'all, it is really just as simple as that. He's a young man, he's 21, he has no health issues, he's healthy. He just didn't know how to take care of his hair. So I recommended that he use my entire Curl House collection, the shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in, the growth drops. Use the system and use it as a system and use it consistently. So he started using the shampoo twice a week, getting in a habit of cleansing his hair twice a week, cleansing the scalp rather twice a week. And the shampoo is really, really excellent for his situation because the shampoo is a clarifying shampoo. So when you have a lot of buildup on your scalp, particularly from that sweat, and everything else that comes out of the scalp when you exercise, and even dirt, and when you have that buildup, you need something to remove the buildup off the scalp so that the hair can flourish. So that's the benefit of that Curl House follicle stimulating shampoo, because that's what it does. And he followed up with the conditioner, which is excellent for the hair to keep the hair hydrated. And he uses the leave-in conditioner every day. So the leave-in conditioner is a spray. He sprays it in every day. And then he will apply the growth drops every day to the scalp. Because due to not cleansing the scalp regularly and sweating, he said he experienced a lot of itching, and it's no surprise that he experienced the itching. So the growth drops do help with both the growth and with itching, because it will balance the pH of your scalp. And that's sometimes when your pH of your scalp is not balanced, that will cause itching. So he just pretty much used this entire system. It's been 3 months, and this is his results. His hair is flourishing. His hair is growing back, and his hair will continue to grow back. It is his goal to get locks after this semester, so get locks this summer, and I am very certain that he's going to get his locks, because guess what? He has now prioritized scalp care. He has prioritized scalp care. So he is cleansing his scalp and treating his hair on a regular basis. So he put it right up there. It may not be up there with his football schedule, but it's pretty high on his priority list. If he wants to get those locks, he's going to make sure his hair continues to grow and flourishes. Okay, y'all, so I just wanted to jump in right quick. I just wanted to share his story with you and just share with you the importance of scalp care, how important it is to get in a habit of treating your scalp with some TLC and your hair. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss a video. And if you are someone who's interested in learning how to grow your hair through lifestyle practices, I encourage you to sign up for my wait list for my health and hairness program that is launching this spring. I will put the link above. And until we talk again, stay fabulous.